So here we have the Mercedes-Benz E350 Coupe. It's on a 10 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. From the outside of the car, you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the far left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. We then have a clock, speedometer, rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. Within the speedometer, you can see the total miles for this car. They're only 55,910, so very low mileage. You can change information displayed there for various different things, including a digital readout for the speedometer, and that is done with the buttons just here. We have our phone and stereo controls, the minus and plus pedals to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the centre next, we have the main screen for the car, which as you can see includes satellite navigation. Really nice clear colour display, very easy system to use. To control everything on the screen, you can either use the buttons just here or this dial that you can see there, or a combination of both, of course. So for example, if I press radio, we are now on the audio menu, as you can see. From there, you can either use the dial or the buttons. We've got our radio presets just there. You can move your way around the screen. There are all your different audio options that you can see right now. You can access your different wave bands at the bottom here. And again, everything that you can see me doing at the minute, I'm doing using that dial that I showed you. So pairing your phone, for example. Main volume for your stereo is just here. We have your CD player, heated passenger and driver seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. If I move the gear lever out of the way for a sec, we have our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and the driver temperature. You can increase, decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. Once you're happy with those settings, air conditioning is off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you of these 2 things to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. We can open this section. We've got some storage, a 12-volt charging socket, and the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenborn's. We'd love to hear from you soon.